What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to convert your window to the opening door like this one, you see. So it's very easy, everyone can do it, even we put this step. So if you're interested to learn, watch until to the end. Let's start it. So to start, you have to cut the frame. So we are starting to cut the frame in the both side of the window, and then starting removing the frame with the play bar. So basically play bar is your friend, so you can remove everything with that and just a hammer. So and then when we finish doing the frame, we have some screw is gonna be inside and some screw is outside. So it's very easy to take the window out. You just gonna follow step by step how we do it here, and I have a full video so I don't cut any corner, so you guys can see everything. So this is the screw from the outside, and we have two more that was there, you can see is inside, so we have to go inside to remove those. So first we remove the curtain. I hope you guys know how to do it, so if you don't, just see it, you just have to pull it, so that easy. There you go, you just pull it down and you come down, and that's the screw. I'll talk about it. After we're done with taking the screw off, we have to cut the frame from inside. To do that, we use a saw to cut the frame, and use our friend, it was the hammer and the play bar. Just use those to remove the frame. That easy. There you guys, you see the window is already loose. After we taking the last piece of the frame, it was here, so you can take the window off very easy. So you remove all the screw, remove the frame from inside and outside, and you can take the window off very easy like that. So we have a space now. We're gonna cut the drywall from the inside, and you see it is the frame is still, you have a wood. We're gonna have the wiring. Make sure you turn off any power to that room, so because somewhere in the bottom on the top of the window, and most of the time you have the wiring, so make sure you cut the power off. And when you do that, when you see the wiring, you can cut it when it's off, and redo the wiring as well. You can go around the door. After you install the door, you can go around the door. So because we want to be nice everything, so we use this device. I'm gonna put that in the description if you like to purchase it. And so we make one line all the way to the top in two sides, and that way you have a nice cut in the drywall, so we don't need to redo a drywall. Believe me, you don't want extra work. So just have a patience and do it step by step. So don't do our mistake. Don't use the salsa to cutting the hardy backer from outside. Use the grinder with the special blade, because if you use your salsa, your blade is gonna go bad. So with the grinder, it was much easier to remove than any hardy backer. You know, hardy, or you call siding. So siding for the outside is much easier. So we're gonna remove that wood, like I said in the beginning, and cut the drywall. So you have to cut it all the way to the floor. We have a carpet floor, so we all cutting on the baseboard as well. So on the both sides to remove you see, I remove it very easy. That's a line I'm talking about. That's a power line. So the good thing, I didn't cut with the salsa all the way. Just use the small device I told you guys this, and use that one. There is two blades you can see here. One is for wood, one is for the metal. So we don't have a time to do the electrical right now. So we're gonna just take everything off and then cut the power. So we're gonna cut the small piece of the 2x4, so to be able to take the wire out. You guys can do that if you want to do fast, because you don't want to don't have any window or door for the next day. This is one day job, you have to finish it. So just do fast. So that's way we take care of everything first. We go lunch, and at the lunch we take what you call the wire out. So after we removed all the brick all the way to the carpet, so we don't go more than that. So you have to be the same level as the carpets, and then we're gonna make the step from that grass to can go to the inside. So and we're gonna cut the piece of the wood in the back. So and get rid of everything. So be ready to install the door. After we get rid of that, we're gonna make the surface with the concrete level, and put the piece of wood in the back to be bottom of the frame of our door, and then just put the door, and you have to start leveling the door. We're gonna do the leveling the door with the laser. So we measure everything is fine. So we do a little cleanup and then install the door. Just watch the video. You see, that's the first surface, and we use the piece of the waterproof wood. Is like a wood on the bottom, so if the moisture comes in, so it doesn't affect the wood. So we just put the door in the place, and you use some shim to level the wood. So we have a laser. You see the laser, horizontal and also vertical. So we have to laser, now move the door up to be on the same size of the the laser. So it's a little tricky to have it the good installation, not installation, I'm sorry, installation. So but it's easy, you just follow the video, you know what to do. As you see, we putting the piece of the wood like a shim to level the door by the laser, and we nail it. So we put some wood also behind the hinge, so when you put it the screw, so it's gonna be more solid on the hinge side of the door. On the other side we use the nail gun. So it's that easy. Just have a patience and use the laser. So if you want to learn how to use the laser, let me know in the comment, so I will make another video to show you guys how to use the laser. Or just let me know in the comment area. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for the future video. I really appreciate for you guys support. So let's continue the video. So now, like other side, we just add some shim to support the frame and put the frame on the right place, and we're gonna go with the nail gun and put the nail to attach the frame to the stud behind, so that way the frame doesn't move when you close and open the door, so the frame doesn't move. So it's very important to support the door very good. Also, we're gonna add some screws. So you see we took that weather strip off, and then I'm gonna add the screw, and at the end to cover that screw, so we're gonna put the weather screw back in the place. So weather strip, I'm sorry. So now I'm gonna take the mesh, the shim, the mesh. I always get confused with mesh and shim. So the shim, I'm gonna cut the rest, so we don't need it, and we're gonna get the spray and spray all around the frame, so there is no gap between the frame and the stud. So, and I'm gonna add the piece of wood here, so to be nice. So, and I'm gonna add the frame on the top. This is the spray I use. Make sure you use this spray. So there is the other spray, so it's gonna expand too much and it's gonna destroy your door. So use that spray, especially for window and door. So as you see, we add some wood, so the surface is gonna be the same level as the siding. So when we add the frame, so it's gonna be the level. We use a big nail gun here, it's huge, to add this siding, and it look perfect. So I like it. It's waterproof. You see, it's the same level, and there is no gap. I like it a lot. So make sure you do that, and you're gonna have a very nice frame, and everything is gonna be in the right place. Use couple of the nail gun, and that's it. I have an electrical for the camera over there. I'm gonna add the camera, also a little tile here so to make it look better. So that's it, and make sure subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix your home by yourself without paying anyone.